Si Atong.
Do you have proof?
I have not been in good terms with Gretchen for almost 5 years this December. I have never seen them together as boyfriend and girlfriend. I just take it from it's common knowledge. Alam ng maraming tao, nakikita sila kung saan-saan, magkahawak and all. But I know for a fact that it's them because we were with our niece every step of the way that she had to suffer the pain. Kasi hindi na enough yung inagaw eh. Araw-araw mental torture ni Gretchen yung pamangkin namin si Nicole. I will go back to the president, okay? I'm so sorry. I just want to make it clear that we ended very well with the president. Nung nagkaroon, wait, and also nung umakma si Atong to attack me, that's when na-cordon off kami ng president, okay? And then, nakita ko sa kanan ko, Nicole carried Gretchen. We have to tell this story. Carried Gretchen, malaki si Nicole eh. Nilipat siya, nilayo sa akin because according to sila Nicole and the mga tao doon, she was also gonna follow to make me hablot. Okay? Yun lang yon. Yun lang kaguluhan nila doon. But, of course, the PHG was saying, Mr. President, kailangan na siguro natin umalis kasi talagang mainit na. And he said, hindi. Mag-uusap pa kami ni Marjorie. I have to tell this story, okay, na maayos kaming nag-end. He safely took me away to a couch, to the farthest couch, habang si Gretchen ang nag-nervous breakdown. She ran after Nicole, pulled Nicole's hair, kicked Nicole, she beat up my niece.